Hey guys, I just want to get on here real quick and do a quick plant highlight. This is a new ground cover shrub that I just discovered. I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna have to find a spot in my yard to put some of this there, but for now my husband and I are working on a project, so we're gonna be planting it in this property behind me. Let's talk about this plant. I'll show you what it looks like and why it's so awesome and why you should plant it in your own yard. Okay, so we have 7 of them right here. So basically the owners just wanted something that was really low growing, that wasn't going to cover the windows. This is a part sun area, but these are also great for the full sun area. You're probably wondering when I'm actually going to tell you what it is. So this is the ground hug Aronia. There's also a beautiful Aronia called there's also one that's called the low scape Aronia that gets a little bit bigger, about 3 feet tall and wide. So this one only gets about 1.5 to 2 feet tall and wide. Actually not even 1.5 foot. It gets up to 14 inches tall. So it's a really low shrub. It's awesome for filling in areas that are really challenging. I have a lot of challenging areas in my yard where it gets dry, and I just need something that I can put in there that's going to provide this beautiful green foliage, and it's going to be tough, durable. These are also great for erosion control. So these are actually a proven winners, and in the springtime when they start to leaf out, so they're not an evergreen unfortunately, but they'll get these cute little dainty white flowers, and then when they're done blooming, as you can see, they have that beautiful foliage, and then as fall starts to hit, they'll form these cute little purple berries, and then they'll turn this vibrant red. It's an amazing plant. There's so much interest all gardening season, so I'll get them planted right now. So we've got them in the ground. Thankfully I had a little bit of help. This soil was pretty hard by this time of the year, but we just watered them in. At this point they're in the part shade. Nothing else we really have to do, not a lot of pruning. They're going to spread to about 3 feet, so it's going to create a beautiful lush carpet, cover most of this soil. And then you can kind of just leave them and not worry about them too much. I hope you guys like this little highlight. I did want to mention that it is cold hardy all the way down to zone 3 up to 9. So for most of us, we can plant this beautiful little ground cover shrub and enjoy it for years to come. Anyways, I hope you guys like this little video. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you in my next one. We'll talk to you later. Bye.